Here are 10 facts to make your financial success video more believable. Number 1. Emergency fund impact. According to a report by Bankrate, having an emergency fund equivalent to 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses can significantly reduce financial stress and improve overall well-being. Number 2. Debt-free happiness. A study published in the Journal of Consumer Research indicates that individuals with lower levels of debt tend to experience higher levels of life satisfaction and overall happiness. Number 3. Budgeting boosts savings. The National Foundation for Credit Counseling found that individuals who create and follow a budget are more likely to increase their savings over time, contributing to long-term financial stability. Number 4. Financial goal setting. A study by Dominican University of California revealed that people who wrote down their financial goals were 42% more likely to achieve them than those who didn't. Number 5. Budgeting apps effectiveness. Research conducted by the Pew Charitable Trusts shows that using budgeting apps can lead to better financial management, with 46% of app users reporting an improvement in their financial situation. Number 6. Cost of impulse purchases. The American Institute of CPAs states that unplanned or impulse purchases can account for a significant portion of monthly expenses, impacting overall financial health. Number 7. Income versus spending awareness. The Federal Reserve's report on the economic well-being of U.S. households indicates that many Americans underestimate their spending, emphasizing the importance of tracking expenses. Number 8. Flexible budgeting for life changes. A study in the Journal of Consumer Research emphasizes the need for flexible budgeting, especially during major life changes, to maintain financial stability. Number 9. Consistency is key. The Society for Personality and Social Psychology found that consistency in financial habits, including budgeting, is crucial for long-term success and achieving financial goals. Number 10. Financial education impact. A report from the National Endowment for Financial Education suggests that individuals with higher financial literacy are more likely to engage in positive financial behaviors, such as budgeting effect.